Hey everyone, so here is the app called Gametime, last minute tickets. And yeah, it's very popular app to get last minute deals. Or alternatively, it's kind of like it's also a marketplace. If you have some interesting tickets, you can sell it on this app. It's very easy to do, and then you can just earn some cash. Um, So score last minute tickets to concerts, sports, shows, and more for less with Gametime. Gametime is the app that helps you score deals to all your favorite events. Now featuring Gametime ticket covers the most comprehensive service and protection policy in ticketing, included free with all purchases. Gametime is a top app for deals on last minute tickets to sports, concerts, and theater. Gametime is a resale market, not the main provider of tickets. Resellers may list tickets above or below face value. So yeah, if you can get like ticket on Ticketmaster, a bunch of other apps like um, you can just get the ticket, then just go to this app, try it out. Of course, there can be other places if you're really desperate, like look on eBay or there's a bunch of other websites, but yeah, definitely also give a try to this app. It's quite popular. You can see over 170,000 ratings. Um, so yeah, did you know the ticket prices for your favorite events actually go down the closer you get to showtime? Get the best deals, see the view from your seats, and utilize Gametime super simple checkout process to get into events even after they have started. So mobile ticket delivery helps save paper and printing headaches, and all of that. So that's basically the app. You can try out if, for example, there is 1 hour to the event, and then you can check out, and then you can get some last minute deal here. Some people are reselling these tickets, so it's a nice opportunity here to try it out. Um, and take advantage of falling ticket prices as you get closer to the event time. Buy tickets up to 9 minutes after the start of event. Even just after the start of event, you can still get some tickets when people realize they can't go to the event or some last minute change. You can easily then they usually resell the ticket, you buy it, and you still get to the event, which can be a longer concert or anything. And then you didn't get to the first half, you can get to the second half. So some if you really want to get to some concert, and it's just you lost all the tickets opportunities, that's basically what you can get with this app. And yeah, to sell tickets, list and price tickets with just few taps. If you have paper tickets, simply take a picture to have them listed. To sell digitally, that's also a really nice feature. Get text updates as soon as your tickets sell. Get paid through PayPal or in Gametime credit. But that's just the one feature which is actually cool, Gametime credit. But some users are reporting that they can have up to $1,000 in this Gametime credit, and they just can't withdraw it. So that can be an issue. Then you just need to buy other tickets for this Gametime credit, and it can be quite complicated to actually withdraw that credit. So yeah, just open it up. So here is the app basically, and the first tab is buy. So in the top left, you just pick a city. You can change your current location. It's not available all around the world. Mainly it's on like United States, but also there are some other countries. But like in Europe, it's like mostly like Germany, like the whole country, but still it's not really available. It's mostly just US and Canada. And then you can see like discover feed, some sports categories. If you want to just go to sports, and there is some music like Beyonce ticket. Wow, sounds pretty cool, right? So then you can just go here. You can see like Beyonce concert at you can see all the dates when it's available. Then you can see cheapest tickets, you can see upper row, you can see some other views. And these are basically the, like, the cheapest ticket is right here. And then, yeah, you can just get it like that. To see together, total price $990. Otherwise, you can just get, yeah, I'm not sure. So you need to navigate and then you can just show details. So 2 tickets together, 327. Then there are fees. Yeah, there is a fee, and then there is sales tax, $75. So that's what it is. Yeah, that's a bit annoying with all these sales taxes and all additional fees, but that's what you have. Then you can just see here. I'm not sure if you can get like one ticket or but yeah, that's what it is. Then there is just like a map as well, where you can just browse around the stadium and see how it looks like, and then you can see some available seats. Yeah, and if you want to buy it, and then again, oh shit, so that's basically how you change it over. So just get and tap on this, and then of course you can just buy a single ticket, and then you can see that's the cheapest price, for example. And yeah, then you can just see top artists, for example. um, like if you want to go to 50 Cent concert, you can see the price is a bit cheaper here. Like in Houston, you can go and one seat for $60, just get it there, and then you can easily pay with Apple Pay, or you can add a new payment method. You can just add a new card. Seems it's still paid through the PayPal. And yeah, so that, and then there are shows. So it's not only music and sports, there are different kind of stand-ups. So that's what it is, and then you can just go and discover again, just browse all of these things. Then the next thing is actually selling. That's actually why this app is quite popular. Some people can really get some nice deals, and it's quite handy as well, because not all the time something works out. Sometimes plans change in the last minute. And then it's just a good marketplace kind of app where you can just go and sell your tickets, and just earn some cash. Why? You don't need to bother and go sell them on eBay everywhere. So any type of ticket, zero typing, upload a photo of your PDF, paper, or e-tickets, and we'll fill in the info for you. Get paid, receive payment 48 hours after the event via PayPal or Gametime credit, plus a bonus, and then just add tickets. Then just add new tickets, upload a photo of your tickets in PDF, paper, or ticket format. Choose from your tickets. Then there are tickets here where you can just discover different types of, again, that's that. And then there is your profile. You can view your profile, just enter a full name. If you want, you can just easily delete your account. You just sign up with email. That's basically how you get started, and that's how you proceed. Payment methods, you can add a card or you can enable Apple Pay. So Gametime credit, you will see it here. That's basically, I don't know how to withdraw it. That's thinking. And then share your invite code with friends and earn $5 in credit the first time they buy tickets. So feel free to use my code here actually. So here is the code, Gametime 453073, and then you will earn $5. So feel free to use that. If you wanna, you can just redeem the code here, enter the code here, and then you'll get $5. And then in settings, if you wanna, you can enable this helpful feature, all-in pricing. So you just shown the final price, and you not shown this preliminary price and just being added additional $200. So it's kind of useful. Of course, they're hiding this feature, but nevertheless. And then you just see help. There is chat with us option where you can just chat. You can email them. There is some FAQ. You can read that. It's also available on Android. How do I date? How to accept promo code. So here you can see that. So that's interesting. You can choose between PayPal or Gametime credit plus a bonus. By default, your payout method is set to Gametime credits. Through you can adjust your choice up to 48 hours after the event. Once payment has been processed, you're no longer able to change your payout method. So that's like important thing to know if you're selling tickets, because some viewers on my YouTube channel are asking like, well, I have $800 in Gametime app, how do I withdraw them? Well, if you didn't change the payout method, like they're just in Gametime credits, so then yeah, you can just go to some Beyonce concert or something like that, but you can't get the cash out because you needed to change to PayPal. So yeah, that's what it is. You can delete your account if you don't like, or you can submit request of deletion. You can call them, submit the form, or write to privacy@gametime.co. If you don't have, if you just want to reach out to their support, you can just write here at the options provided. You can call them from here. It's actually quite nice. They list all of these support options. And then yeah, you can easily delete your account and data from here as well. So that's what it is. That's the app. If you have some nice additional comments or some reviews, feel free to leave them, and yeah, I'll just be curious to know how you're using it. Do you like it more than Ticketmaster or some other apps? Were you able to use this app to get to some really cool events and stuff like that? So give it a try.